Today we are opening new nursing pods at Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport. We're trying to make sure that our moms have a great place to feed their babies or to pump breast milk if they'd like some privacy. So these are portable pods. We can put them wherever they make sense in the airport. The Phoenix City Council voted unanimously to create these spaces for our new moms. They are large enough so that you can have a family inside. If you're traveling with another kid, there's room for more than one. There's a power outlet if you need to use a breast pump, great counter space. This is something that's personally important to me. I had a young baby and was traveling. We had a flight delayed. He was just having a meltdown, I think too much action at the airport. And at the time, I would have had to go outside of security to find that quiet space. So I'm so glad that once we've had new parents go through security, you don't have to do it twice. There is a clean, quiet space to feed baby or to pump breast milk inside of security.
They look really nice. Really will help decrease my stress when traveling. Always looking for a place to feed him, and nice to not have to put a blanket over his head or, have people walking around kind of looking at you. So that'll be nice. And decrease the distractions for him. He always gets so distracted, so that'll be a nice, calm environment.
So the airport has absolutely been committed to making sure that they make these type of investments and has been looking at it. We are glad that today we get to celebrate it is actually happening. And next week the City Council will vote on bringing these pods to our convention center. We want to be a family-friendly city. We want to make sure that if you're a new parent, we do our part to make life a little bit easier. It is tough being a new parent, feeding baby, making sure that baby can stay quiet, doesn't get too much noise. And if we have these great safe spaces, it's a better experience for people whether they're traveling or visiting our convention center. That's consistent with our values. It's exciting to be part of this Phoenix City Council. We are all parents, so we've been through this and we want to make it better for the next generation to come.